Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Friends, today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorhomes of 2026, the Entegra Vision. Say if you've been dreaming about hitting the open road in style, comfort, and with all the latest tech packed in, then this review is going to keep you glued to the screen. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether this motorhome is the right adventure partner for you, or just another shiny name in the RV world. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2026 Entegra Vision SE has received a sleek design update that immediately grabs attention. The bold front cap with high-gloss fiberglass and modern LED headlamps gives it an upscale, automotive-inspired look. The full-body paint options are crisp, with rich, deep colors that resist fading thanks to a multi-layer clear coat. The large panoramic windshield gives drivers unmatched visibility, and when you're parked, it transforms into a breathtaking view of nature ahead. One feature that really impressed me is the electric patio awning with LED lighting, perfect for extending your living space outdoors. Storage compartments have been redesigned as well, offering wider openings and insulated doors, which means you'll have plenty of space for gear while keeping everything protected. Now, stepping inside is where the Vision SE truly shines. The 2026 model embraces a residential feel, making you forget you're even an amateur home. The new interior color schemes lean toward modern neutrals, think soft grays, warm wood tones, and subtle metallic accents. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by the spacious living area with updated furniture, featuring plush recliners and a sleeper sofa that feels like home. The large smart TV is perfectly positioned across from the seating area, and the integrated sound system makes movie nights on the road just as good as your living room. The kitchen is built for real cooking, not just snacks. You get solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and a residential-style refrigerator with more storage than you'd expect. The 3-burner range with oven, paired with a convection microwave, gives you the flexibility to cook like you're at home. Even the cabinetry feels solid, with soft closed doors and hidden hinges that add to the premium feel. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with a premium mattress, something RV owners always crave for. Long trips. The storage here is cleverly designed with wardrobe closets and underbed compartments. One standout upgrade in the 2026 model is the improved climate system. Dual air conditioners and a quiet furnace keep the temperature balanced throughout, so no more hot bedrooms while the living area stays cold. Bathrooms often get overlooked in motorhomes, but not here. The shower is surprisingly roomy with a glass door, and the skylight above adds brightness. You'll also notice residential-style fixtures, including a porcelain toilet and upgraded vanity with ample counter space. When it comes to performance, the Entegra Vision SE runs on the Ford F53 chassis, which has been updated for 2026 with better suspension and improved stability. The 7.3-liter V8 engine delivers around 350 horsepower, giving you enough muscle to handle highways and mountain passes confidently. Handling is smooth thanks to the enhanced steering system, and the noise insulation makes driving less fatiguing. Fuel economy isn't revolutionary. It's still in the 7 to 9 miles per gallon range, but for a class amateur home with this much space, that's expected. On the tech side, you get a digital dash with integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The backup and side view cameras are crisp and clear, giving you peace of mind in tight campgrounds. Safety features include electronic stability control, traction control, and automatic emergency braking, big steps forward for RV safety. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Entegra Vision SE starts at around $185,000, but depending on options and floor plans, you could push closer to $200,000. That positions it competitively against rivals like Redefine, Allegro, and Thorwine Sport, especially when you consider the build quality and features. For families or couples looking for a balance of luxury and value, this model really makes sense. So, is the 2026 Entegra Vision SE worth it? If you want amateur home that combines comfort, performance, and modern styling without breaking into the ultra-luxury segment, then yes, it's a strong contender. It gives you that residential feel on the road, dependable power under the hood, and thoughtful details inside and out. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth RV reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Vision. Say, would you take this beauty across the country, or do you have your eye on another model? Until next time, safe travels and happy adventure.